Okay, today we're going to be working on a pen. This is from a piece of black wattle, and as you can see, I'm just cutting down the piece into square. I cut it from a piece of log, and as you'll see in a moment, I'll cut it to size, so I'll square up one end and then mark it. I'll be using the tube itself to mark. It makes it a lot easier. And then just cut it off. Then I'll chuck it up into the jaws. I'll make sure it's spinning all centered, and then I'll bring forward my drill and slowly bring it into the piece to make sure it's hitting within the center of the timber. And then I'll bring it back out, clean the drill bit itself, and then I'll push it back in, slowly working all the way until I finish drilling. Now, with the sanding, you want to make sure that it is like a brushed brass, not a shiny, as you can see. And then what you want to do is apply a little bit of CA glue, spin it around, and then press it up against a flat surface. I just use the side of my bench, and then we'll square up the edge of the blank on the sander. You can also do this in the drill press. We will then move over to the lathe. You'll chuck it all up with the right set of bushings, and you'll start turning it round. With the turning, you can use almost any turning tools you want to practice. These are great practice projects. Since I've done so many, I work mainly with the bowl gouge and the skew chisel. However, you can work with the spindle, the roughing gouge if you want. It's probably not very effective. Or even the scraping tools. The round one, the square one, whatever you want to do. As you can see, I'm just doing the final shaping. Before with the bowl gouge, I do a lot of the rough shaping, and now I'm doing the final shaping, getting it a fingernail off the bushings, so when you sand it, it doesn't go under the bushings. And with this, I'll also add a little bit of detail. As you'll see in a second, what you'll do is you'll turn it 90 degrees and you'll plunge in, and be careful because this can shatter the skew chisel and basically scrape your whole piece. But if you're wanting to do these projects, they're great and easy to learn. They're really inexpensive. The most expensive thing you'll be getting into is the lathe, but it's works out to break down in pricing. The bushing for this kit is around $7. The timber I got for free because I went and scavenged, but it doesn't cost any more than a couple bucks if you're using really expensive timber like ebony or so. And then like the little minuscule things like the sandpaper, the finish, the CA glue, the activator, and all that. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Soon we'll finish up and we'll get into putting it all together. But yeah. Okay, now it's the fun bit. We get to assemble, so come in close and we'll get this thing finished up. Guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you want, like and subscribe. Follow for more content. Comment down below what type of content you're wanting, because I'm just starting out. I would love to know what you guys think and what you guys want to see. And hopefully I see you in the next video. Enjoy some of this, and look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, and there you have it. A nice, simple pen that will press